I'm back with some more Battle Cats. Um, I got all the treasures for that. Still doing the outbreaks though. There is whatever the frick Japanese garbage collab that is going on right now. I don't know, but what the heck's Miku Cherry? Hard speed up Katsubiya. Nah. Alright, I got old guys around town. Got Kung Fu Cat X. Dreamy Ball. Pretty easy actually. So right after I published the other video, I played some stuff trying to grind, and I got Anubis. I do not have enough XP to evolve him because, well, I don't have much XP. So, try some Into the Future levels. I'm gonna die on there. Monaco, blah blah blah. Kenya. Oh yeah. No, frick Kenya. The Black Gories suck. Meh. Alright. So, I got level 995. I wish I had a Crazy Cat, but I'm going to upgrade to level 25 once I get to 1,000. No, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to, I won't need cat tickets, so I can, upgrade my cats. Because right now my Wildcat's level 6, and my Titan Cat's level 7. So those are good. Because if I get him 3 more levels, I'm not sure what he turns into. But I know that guy turns into King Dragon. That guy turns into Whale. Don't know what he turns in. Lion, Macho. Don't know. Eraser, and Mohawk. So, got some of that. I need to go into some grind stages. Not in there. Legend stage. So, try Miku Cherry. Don't know what's in here. Alright. Let's get to it. Did you let it right? Yeah. Also got Lumbercat. He's pretty good. I've heard he's kind of good against metal. Kind of his niche is he's kind of good against zombies because he has zombie killer, and he's tough against zombies, which is pretty good. He actually does quite a bit of damage. So let's use him to push forward. Fucking get my slow units out like that. Pushing forward a little bit too much. The freaking heck is that? And see, this is a hard stage. I have done an insane stage. Why is it just... Why did that guy have the ability to dodge? That's kind of scary when the enemy has an ability to dodge. Meh. I know at least 4 people on Reddit who have that as their freaking profile pic. And that's why I fail to see the lights in humanity. Just killer. Alright, good job, Valkyrie. So I don't know why this underlined hard. I just kind of pummeled through with only 2 Ubers and a pointy stick. Oh, speed up. So, I have nothing to say. What's this? So I'm actually battling the Ubers. Killed that chick, killed her. No idea who that is. Just killed her. What the heck is the Luca? Alright. I have no idea who any of these are because I'm not Japanese. Now, this guy, Lumbercat, is a really, really good cat for, classing, Because, where is he? Right. Yeah, whatever this is, it does a dodge attack against floating, which is pretty good. But, I actually don't, is it like a super rare? That's Lumbercat. Oh, he's right here. Yeah, Lumbercat, Gardener Cat, and Lumbercat. He might freeze. He has Zombie Killer. Oh yeah, he's not tough. He freezes. Hmm. Hmm. This guy's pretty good. And just to show you, I'll go to the chapter 2, zombie outbreak. He's not very great yet because I don't have him up that much. Why? So, it's like, Lumbercat's a pretty good cat. He can definitely kill Zacky Peng or something, I don't know. His DPS is like, I don't know, 200? That's pretty good. 200 or 400. And level I have him right now, he's like pretty good, but not that good. So, show you how good he is. Yeah, see? Imagine a stack of that. No, thank you, Zeki Peng. Crap. So, oh, it might be only like 100 or something. Alright, so he's kind of good against typing. Not the best, because, just always better. And I was watching one of Dr. X Skull's video. He says that, he was ranking all the Iron Legion ones. These guys are not an Iron Legion, which means they aren't very overpowered against zombies. Which is pretty okay with me, I don't care. I think the best anti-zombie I have is Organ Nasumain, because he just does kind of damage. Like maybe 1,000. How much? Yeah, like, I don't know, 5,000 damage. And he kind of just, well, fast attack rate. Chop. So more than 6,000 damage. 32,000 XP. It's pretty good. So now I can try and upgrade my super rare. Yeah, but see, I only got him level 2 because, well, 40,000 XP is not much, but it's a lot. So I just saw this guy is really good against metal. That's Momenta. And I forgot his niche. Oh yeah, he's a zombie killer with immune to slow and immune to waves, which is pretty friggin' good. I'm just equipped instead of Lumbercat. Uber super rare, Anubis level 4. He's cost as much as War God Muscle Man, but not as. It's something new or something, or sale. There's a sale on cat food, because I'd like that. So I can buy like 400 cat food or something. And 2 million isn't worth it. If I get 420 and a half price sale goes off, having 450 would be worth the million XP. Which is why I'm trying to do all my zombie outbreaks. Because between all 3 Empire of Cats, there is, 1,000 cat food. Or 1,500. I'm not sure. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. And I'll see you next time.